Meet Ruijie Cloud ISP. For ISPs, the hidden operating costs include bandwidth setup, device procurement, management costs, and installation costs. Now, everything is the past. With Ruijie Cloud ISP, 15% off your operating costs. How do we make it happen? In the pre-installation stage. Still need to configure home routers one by one? Create a configuration template. Scan to add devices all at once. Apply the configuration with one click. Now all the setups are done in 4 steps. Pre-configure in bulk. Save time and effort. In the maintenance stage. Crazy about all the after-sale issues? Now you can monitor all projects in our visualized dashboard. Zoom in comprehensive diagnostics for remote troubleshooting. If subscribers want to manage by themselves, directly share the link to authorize them. No need to be on-site, but with total control. One family, one cloud. Ruijie Cloud ISP, tailored for ISP businesses.